Hello guys, today's vlog we are going to make an Asian cabbage salad. For our dressing we have garlic, ginger, sesame oil, tamari or soy sauce, black pepper, olive oil, maple syrup and salt. And for the salad we have here cilantro, Napa cabbage, red cabbage, spring onion, carrots, red pepper, toasted sesame, and the quinoa. So let's start. I need to prepare first the quinoa. So cooking this one is just like cooking a rice. Hint, you can prepare ahead the vegetable by grating them on the food processor if you don't have much time. So I wash it after and looks very thinly sliced. Same procedure, cut on the food processor for the rest of the vegetables. So I just arrange them in a big bowl and mix it later. Toasted sesame seed. For the quinoa, you can mix it later. Let's do the dressing. 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. A tablespoon of maple syrup, tamari or soy sauce, we need 2 teaspoons, olive oil, we need 3 tablespoons, sesame oil, garlic and ginger, salt and pepper to taste, let's put the dressing on and mix them all together. Haluin lang natin until it will combine. Okay, tikman natin.